seatbelts pa.
Ah, ganito.
I'm done with the seatbelt.
It's gonna alarm pag wala eh.
Ganon.
Yours? Their seatbelt. Okay.
安全のためシートベルトの着用をお願いします。Please fasten your seatbelt.
Hindi naka-seatbelt. Okay.
I think we switched on. Ako that. Paano lang Hana? Okay. She didn't. So there, right one. DL. San Francisco.
Ilang minutes biyahe natin kaya sa kwan?
30 minutes.
Uy, malayo pala.
Oo.
Kaya pala that explains
Magkano
magkano.
siya sa airport eh?
Hindi.
Hindi rin.
Malapit niya siya sa Rainbow Bridge. Kung saan tinagwa siya forward.
Oh, nice ha.
Hindi pwede. Pero yung aking dinner daw nung ano, nung sa Odama, shoulder ng na Joel. Sabi ko, tayo, dinner na tayo sa dinner. Sa Batantan. Yung sa, di ba ating kinain na view ng ano, ganda ko. Sorry, ito natin na.
Yung,
Maganda yung ano, parang yakiniku.
pwede, mga ganon.
Mag-souffle pancakes ko yung priority, next priority na. Because it is wanted by Kiara and Ate Eva.
Yes.
Souffle.
Yakiniku. That's well there.
I think that's good kasi bonding here. It's like communal na activity. You know, like what happened to us. Okay, that's like just
Ayan.
Yung Daikanyama pala is a place pala, no? In suburbs in Shibuya.
It's a hotel.
Hindi, dito may Daikanyama din siya. Parang venue siya eh, place siya eh.
It's like ano, diba? Ano siya Korean? It's like Korean.
It's like, here's what they call sa Korean.
Samgyup.
Uy, girls.
It's samgyup, but
Cars, Hana.
no, it's yakiniku.
Yakiniku.
Hindi pa tayo nagkaroon parang dinner outside. Lahat tayo there.
Yeah. Parang real.
Pero, ganda mag-reserve ka na ahead of time.
Kung big group, no? Pa-reserve, no?
Gets better for now. Why not?
Anong island sa Turkey?